Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do a deep condition routine. First I pre-poo with my aloe, and we already know aloe has so many great benefits. And then I separate my hair into 4 pieces. Once I've had the aloe in, I've washed it out. Now as it's still separated into 4 pieces, now what I'm going to do, see how I clipped it, is do my Mayo condition treatment. And this is a protein treatment which define curls, calms frizz, and take care of dandruff. There's many benefits to a Mayo treatment aside from bringing back your curls. Yes, I know it smells horrible, but it works like a charm. It just absolutely works like a charm, and I love using the Mayo because it brings in shine and moisture into my hair, and it's just it's a really good conditioner to use to revitalize curls and have a lot of great benefits. So we're going to speed it up here and really get it in there. So I have the Mayo on my hair. You see how that curl just bounced right back? You see that? Curly, yes. So now that I have the Mayo, yes, I do use a grocery bag because I like to recycle, and then I can just toss it in the end. So I put my bag over my head, and then I'll let it sit for like 30 minutes to an hour. And now, once I've done that, I've washed it out. And now I'm going to do my regular condition process. I have my Giovanni 50/50 balancing. Then I have the biotin collagen. So I mix these two together once I've washed out the Mayo. And now what I do is I'm going to apply it in. So apply it in. I know I'm kind of going through this process really quick, but I want you to kind of get, ladies, to kind of get what I do here. Now, once I've done that, I let it sit, and I let it you can use a boiling water, or you can use my method that I use the hot steaming towel and use a double bag, and that works. So there you go. So this is the end product, the end result of once I do my protein treatment. You see how the curls are more defined than before. Now my front is always, my hair is very, like, the curls are very laxated, but for the most part, it really like conditions the hair, moisturizes, brings back shine, and try to really define the curls. Now once you do it more often, you will definitely see a change in your curl pattern. Now this is normally how I would do my wash and go style. I'll put in my leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture, the Jamaican castor oil, and then I'll add in a lot of body coconut. That really helps with moisturizing those curls. Then I add my Eco Styler gel and this is just for my wash and go process, and that's what I'll do. Alright ladies, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment in the box below. Thank you.